Okay, I had somebody request my fifth one. I apologize it's been so long. As everybody probably heard on one of the videos, my son had cancer. This is the reason I was making it, to pass time. As you can see, this is the original smoker that everybody's seen. Still the same. Pipe and all the doors. Now, I had a friend of mine make the smoker box for me. It's made out of 1/4-inch steel. It's plain and simple, pretty easy. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vent holes on it, and it come out to be way better looking than what I thought it was going to when he got it done. I added on 2 4-inch pipes with 90-degree elbows. I was going to put a third one right about here and then come up and then go into right about there, but I decided not to because after I've smoked in it twice just to get it seasoned, it stayed at 250 to 300 degrees the whole time with all the vents open, so I thought I'd better leave something that's working really good alone. So I'm going to start it up here in a little bit, or start it up, and then I will start recording again. I'll be back here in a minute. As you can see, I got a fire going in it now. It's going pretty good. You can see how much wood I can stack in that box. I can even put more in there if I want to. And the thing is, this wood here is pretty dried out. I'm just using it kind of to really season it. I haven't smoked on it yet, meat anyways. But, I mean, it does catch a pretty good fire. I can put a pretty good chunk of wood in it. I can put a bunch of wood in it, truthfully. I can put this, and from the last 2 times that I've smoked and seasoned it, I can fill this all the way up, and it'll last me close to 6 to 8 hours at 250. Now, if I open the door, it can jump up to about 325 to 350, but I don't usually ever mess with it. I just pretty much let it try to go out. So if I wanted to do an all-day smoke, all I would have to do is just add a few sticks, and it would stay pretty well all day long. I just started this maybe 5 minutes ago, so that's probably why it's so dark. The wood is not burnt off. I mean, 5 minutes ago, I mean, you can already see it's starting to go up. And that's the farthest one away from it. And then I've got this one here. Kind of weird to me that this one right underneath the smoke box is not as hot as the other one. So, but it'll run like this for probably, once I get it real hot and going, it'll run for a little bit. So I thought I'd show you how much wood I could put in there. I'm going to let it get a little bit hotter, and then I'll start filming again here in a minute. Alright, it's been running about 20 minutes now. As you can see, the box is up to about 170 now, on right above the firebox. And then you move on over here, and this one is up to about 210. It'll eventually go up to about 250 here in about the next 10-15 minutes. It'll be up there. I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out with everything that's been going on for a little project. It turned out way better than what I thought it would. I'm totally pleased with the way it turned out, and I appreciate everybody that has been commenting and checking out my posts. I never thought everybody would actually pay attention to it that much, but it's pretty sweet, and I appreciate everybody paying attention. Stay tuned. I might have another one. I got another firebox and another barrel just like this. I'm going to do a little bit different design, so hopefully it turns out too. Alright guys, thanks everybody for paying attention, and if anybody prayed for my son, I appreciate it too. And God bless, and everybody have fun making theirs.